What's up guys, Reggie P here. Would you like to make $100 in 1 hour?
Hell yeah!
Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you how, so stay tuned.
This is AppGrind TV. Get your grind on.
Welcome to AppGrind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, we're going to talk about how you can make $100 in 1 hour. And what I'm going to do is hop over here to my computer and show you these websites that you can go to right now and get started making that $100 in 1 hour. But before I do that, I just want to say what's up to all my new viewers out there. Thank you for checking me out. Thank you for checking out my channel. Please smash that like button and give me a thumbs up if you liked this video. And please hit that subscribe button because I bring videos that will help you grow on YouTube, help you make money with apps, and help you make money anywhere on the internet. So subscribe today. Also, please watch this video to the very end because I have 3 special offers that I'm giving away today. Yes, 3 special offers that I'm giving away. So please watch this video to the very end so you'll know about those 3 special offers and you will know how to get those 3 special offers for absolutely free. So without further ado, let me hop over here to my computer and show you these websites so you can get started making that $100.
This first website is called Try My UI. And what this website does, they hire people to test websites and apps. So let's click here and find out more about this website. All right. So you get paid to use websites and apps and get your honest feedback. So all you have to do as a tester is to be yourself, use the test website exactly as you would in real life situation, voice your thoughts and frustrations out loud so the site developer can understand your experience and others like you. So they pay out $10 for each test. So this is a good way to make a quick $10. And what it is, you'll get email every time a test is available for you to check out, a website or app. So just sign up here. It's totally free to sign up, and you are going to have to do a little test first. And once you pass that test, which is real simple, so it's just going to be a little test where you it's kind of like a little trial that you go through to see how you do when you check out an app or a website. And once you pass that, you start getting emails of jobs or websites to test. So go ahead and check this out. It's called trymyui.com. So let's go to the next one. Here's the second website. It's called Validately, and it's at validately.com. As you see, you test websites, make money. It's that simple. And here are the companies that Validately has worked with: Google, Amazon.com, Microsoft, Salesforce, Allstate. Now let's see how it works. Okay, you make money for every test you take. You'll be asked to complete a set of tasks, speak your thoughts out loud, answer questions regarding a website or app. So you sign up here So they're asked to provide basic demographic information. So where you know your location, where you live. Then you start taking tests. You start receiving emails offering money for feedback on website and apps. Then you get paid for every task you complete. All right, let's scroll down here to frequently asked questions. All right. So what do I need to get started? Well, you need a computer with a microphone or an Apple or Android smartphone. So you can use a computer or smartphone. You must have Google Chrome, high-speed internet connection, must be at least 18 years of age, must have the ability to communicate in English, and must have a PayPal account. There you go, PayPal account. So you get paid through PayPal. And here's another question. How often are new tests available? Tests are available daily. Not every tester matches the criteria for every test, so you may be notified about available tests less frequently. So when you take the test, they're going to ask certain questions. Just make sure you answer those questions correctly and do the test correctly. Now, here's the big question. How much money will I make and how will I be paid? Payments vary based on the test. However, many of our studies pay in the $100 range. Bingo! For a live remote research session. And of course, all payments are processed through PayPal within 7 days. So you can make $100 in an hour and you'll get paid quickly. Now, this just this site. So you can do this on this site and the other site. All right. So that's it for this site here. If you want to learn more, you go to validately.com and sign up and get started.
I'm back. So now you know the websites you need to go to right now that will make you $100 in 1 hour just by testing apps and websites. So go ahead and sign up right now before it gets too oversaturated with testers, because these two websites are getting very popular. So you might want to go ahead and sign up right now so you can start receiving emails to test websites and apps on a daily basis. So that's all I have for today. And as promised, for watching this video to the very end, I'm going to tell you about the 3 free offers that I have for you to give away. But first, let me ask you this. Do you have an app idea but don't know how to get it made? Well, with 6 years of experience developing apps, I can show you how. All you have to do is download my online course, which is at the bottom of this video in the description, which is called How to Make Money Creating Apps Without Coding online course. Now, it's going to cost a little bit of money, but if you like to go to Starbucks and buy coffee all the time, well, you can buy this course because it's just $8.99. Yes, I have it on sale for $8.99. Now, instead of buying that coffee that's going to keep you up all night, go ahead and get my online course, Learn How to Make Money While You Sleep. So, just $8.99. Go ahead and get it right. Go ahead and download that right now. Now, let me tell you about the 3 free offers that I got for you to give away. All you have to do is go to my website, which is called AppGrind Substation. And all you do is it's down there in the link below in this description. Just click on that. And what you're going to do is subscribe to this channel, go to that site, And at the bottom of the site, there's going to be 3 free ebooks that you can download. And these ebooks will teach you the secrets on how to make money with Facebook ads and make money on YouTube and make money on the net. And these are popular ebooks that will help you start making money online. So go ahead and get those free gifts right now. Subscribe to this channel and you'll be all set. So that's all I have for today. Again, thank you for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe to this channel, like this video, share this video on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, and any other social network that you're part of. Also share this with your friends and family, and make sure you smash that notification bell, because I will be bringing more videos like this on a weekly and maybe daily basis. So thank you again for watching, and before I go, make sure you get your grind on, because the grind is real.
This is AppGrind TV. Get your grind on.